Again.
Let me see. Put your head through.
Again.
Oh my God, is that safe? I'm sitting there telling her to put her head through the bars. Wait, wake up. You're smart.
Then when they're stuck, that's about it.
Yeah, right.
Why are you doing that?
Oh my God, and I've got evidence right here, videotape. Shoot.
Do it again. Do it again.
Go do it again. Do it again. Say hello through the bars.
Again. That's Gabby.
Started. Read it to Diamond. You read it to Diamond. Tell Diamond what it says. Read it.
Read the paper. No.
Back up.
She wants to kiss her.
I don't want her to spit on her.
Wait a minute. Back up. Wait a minute. Now he's got that.
Easy.
Aww.
Easy.
She sees us back.
Easy.
Good girl. Easy. No. Not hard.
Easy or no.
She is doing it easy.
Easy or don't do it.
Read that paper. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Go read it to Grandma.
Gabby, you want to go bye-bye?
Gabby's going to kill her. Let me see that paper.
I have an outfit at my house for her. Read it.
What is it?
A skirt with a shirt.
Excuse me. I'm filming you. Here, come here. Daddy, how you film?
How you film?
It says camera. Make a face. Give me a basso. Make a face. Make a face first. I can't see. Got it? Yeah. Okay, here.